Gold prices open the week higher, back above that 1850 level. Recall we traded all the way down to 1786 about a week ago. Spent most of last week recovering that. Today we saw a sharp decline in the dollar. We saw treasury yields higher and equities sort of seeing a little bit of a bounce back from last week's sell-off as well. So a bit of a mixed market, but gold prices back above 1850 again for the first time since May 11th, and third consecutive settlement above the 200-day moving average. Now, what does this all mean for volatility? Well, if you check out that C-Vol index over at cmegroup.com, you'll notice that volatility did nudge higher, but gold vol has been stuck in a range going back all the way to April. Despite the fact that prices have seen quite a bit of fluctuation, we haven't seen that same type of movement in the volatility sector, but today seeing it nudge higher as prices moved higher as well. Lastly, let's talk about speculators. What are they doing? Well, as of last week, they were continuing to exit their longs. Right now, they're nearing the lowest long holdings going back over the last 3 years. Not quite there yet, but ultimately, gold speculators have been long since November of 2018. So we haven't seen a net short position since then, but we are getting as close as we have in the last couple of years. But they continue to exit their longs. Now, this last little bounce back we saw at the end of last week, could that have been a positioning shift back to adding to their longs? It'll be interesting to see. We'll get that data on Friday from the CFTC. So gold prices opening the week back above 1850 for the first time in a few weeks. We have Chairman Powell speaking tomorrow, some new home sales, treasury auctions, but ultimately gold will keep an eye on the uncertainty that continues to rise, and prices right now back above 1850.